Kendra wants to write a song. She wants to sing about the stars. She says she loves the way they shine, the way they sparkle in the dark. She wonders what they're made of and how they light the night. And I am suddenly inspired myself as I watch her try to write. She's got me thinking about the wonders I'd forgotten for some time. How this great big world was wonderful when I looked through younger eyes. And to her it isn't desperate, it's filled with lovely things. And she can't wait till she grows up so she can chase her dreams. And Kendra, she is beautiful, she is pure of heart. She makes me want to go outside and wish upon a star, the first one I see. Well, maybe I'll ask Kendra if she would make a wish for me, 'cause it won't come true if you don't believe. And she believes in magic, she believes with all her heart. And Kendra makes me want to write a song and sing about the stars.